All right, so most patterns of tile, when we receive them, they're installed on a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet of mesh. So the manufacturer has placed each piece where it's supposed to be, which means it's close to perfect. In this case, these are all individual pieces, and just a huge shout out to our installers. They are just masterful. Part of the process, which is really important, is for us to really double check on the installation. And if we just take a quick snapshot, there are a few pieces that could use some tweaking, which are taped with blue tape. So this one here, you can see it needs a little adjustment. So again, this actually took a full 9 hours of installation yesterday. So again, these guys are working hard, they're tired, their eyes probably get crossed at some point. But we just sort of take a snapshot and give them our feedback with some tile that could use some micro adjusting. So again, the cool part about this tile is that it is human. It's not machine based. So we are going to have imperfection, which really makes for a super cool human-like floor.